Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a movement that I enjoy doing that just makes me feel good. And what it is loaded cross crawls. So you get 2 dumbbells, relatively light, and you just connect your X by doing cross crawls. So you pull them down, press it back up, opposite limbs come down to meet each other. The magic happens when you touch. Anyway, this is the loaded overhead cross crawl touch. I don't know what the name for it is, but I love this movement. And again, it feels good. It's like an elixir, just kind of energizes me. But now the secret is you got to have the right load. So if the load is too heavy, it's not going to energize you. It's going to make you tired. And if it's too light, well, it's just not going to give you as much energy. So if you just find the right amount though, and what amount is that? It's whatever the amount is that makes you feel good. So you kind of got to do a little trial and error, but it is just as simple as picking up the weights and you touch opposite arm and leg together. And I just love this movement. I just wanted to share it with you because it makes me feel good. That's my tip for this week. Find really odd movements that make you feel good and then enjoy them and then share them with others. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.